Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today, I will be reacting to Sonara. So matagal ko na silang gustong pakinggan yung performance nila. However, I was really busy at school, so ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time kasi tapos na yung semester namin. So I'm very excited na mapanood yung performance nila. It's because they are under 1Z Entertainment. And my expectation is a little bit high. So disclaimer lang po, di ako masyado fan ng girl groups. So wala akong ini-stan except of course SB19. So let's see if magustuhan ko or ano yung first impression ko. So yeah, I'm so excited. Okay. So this performance is during their Simula at Wakas, which is, by the way, they said that it's 100,000 people who went there. So imagine them performing in front of 100,000 people, and this is their first performance. So maybe natatakot sila or they are nervous, but let's see. Okay, so they are 7. They say tabi-tabi. Visuals. The sounds, it sounds like parang nakakatakot. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god, they're pretty! Oh my god! Yo guys, they are powerful. Oh my god, this girl, sino ba tong yung kumakanta ngayon? Parang, okay, I see you. Let's see if maging bias kita. She's doing well. And the energy, okay? Oh my god, this is so good. Choreography nila nung medyo nag-slow down, parang nagbago din. You know, parang inangkop nila yung galaw nila sa sound, which is pinakita nila yung angas na side at the same time yung feminine na side, which is a good combination sa isang performance, sa isang bagong kanta nila, like their debut song. Parang ganda ng yes! Parang gusto ko yung gigil. Oh my god. But they don't seem like they're nervous. Okay! Spaghetti! Oh my god, their curve is so malupit. Naghang. Okay, I see you. Oh, this pixie girl, pixie hair girl. Parang astig niya. Holy moly. The energy. What? Okay, I see you. I think parang Pablo Ken, okay? Because my bias is Ken. So, see? That side, yan yung sinasabi ko na parang ang angas nila tapos biglang nag-slow mo yung, ay, hindi naman slow mo, parang medyo may mga harmony na side tapos yung galawan nila parang naging babae bigla. Parang gusto ko yung ganun na parang nakikita yung other side. See? Parang yung giling, yung kimbot, ganun. Oh, cute. Okay, parang gusto ko tong kantang to. I like that choreo. Okay, vocals! I sing you! Gigil. Yung parang ang lupit. Woo! You guys, ang badass nila. Wait. Gusto ko balikan yung part na parang yung choreo nakaganon sila. Parang, wait. Okay, this part is so good. Yung, parang pinag-isipan yung choreography. Ito yung gusto kong part. Na parang sasabihin ng loser, yung parang tumabi kayo dyan, parang kasi, yeah, parang tumabi ka dyan, dongka, yeah, parang tabi-tabi, parang we're here to slay, we're here, parang nagpapakilala sila na parang kami ang bagong girl group na tatatak sa inyo. Ganun. Parang move. Parang ang very parang angas na parang tumabi kayo dyan na mga losers kayo, mga sorry, gigil. Ay, ang iconic! Okay! Oh, I don't think I'm gonna stun them. Don't guys think? Oh my God, itong babaeng to yung unang kumantan, ang galing niyang sumayaw. I don't know what's her name. Itong parang naka-red. Tingnan ninyo yung sayaw niya pagkatapos. Eh, tapos biglang giling. Okay! Hindi. Okay, thank you. Ay, ang haba pa. Oh my God, wala akong... Later, I'm gonna say something. Pakinggan mo lang. They are pretty, they are young, they look different. Diverse yung beauty nila.
Kamusta kayo? AJ!
Wow!
AJ! If you're having fun tonight, make some noise!
Ang ganda ng top niya.
Ayan,
Merch.
bago po ang lahat, gusto po muna namin magpakilala. Hello po, ako po si Yurika. Hello!
Kasal niya si Sarah G. Parang kapuso.
Ako din si Tin sa mga Bisaya nila! Wow! Sup, it's Megami! Maayong gabi! Ako din si Lex!
Okay.
Shoutout sa mga Bisaya
Dalawa yung Bisaya, okay.
Magandang gabi po, ako po si Nami!
Oh, Nami. One Piece, okay.
And we are
Ang sexy.
Sonara!
Sonara. Ang ganda ng pangalan. Parang pwedeng Japanese. Parang
Wala po sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa mainit po na pagtanggap po sa amin ngayong gabi. Kung alam niyo lang po kung gaano kami ka-grateful and ka-blessed po na makatungtong po sa ganitong stage kasi dati nandyan lang naman ako. Nangangarap lang naman din kami. So maraming salamat po.
dreams really do come true.
To introduce ourselves, hello po, we are Sonara. We are a 7-member girl group under Onesie Entertainment.
Period! Charot. Siyempre. Woo!
First ever girl group of Onesie Entertainment.
Okay, okay. What the flex?
Really, that is Sonara. And as a new
Oh my
group,
God,
we're here to introduce a new
Kamukha
sound of
niya si
Playboy
Liza.
and P-pop.
Na medyo chubby, pero hindi
Ito
naman siya
pong
chubby.
song na
Feeling ko
pinerform
sa
namin
face
ay
lang.
very special sa amin. Kasi kami po ang nag-compose at nagsulat nito. Kaya sana nagustuhan niyo po.
Wow,
Sige,
really?
mag-energy check tayo ha. When I say move, you say tabi, tabi.
Okay.
Move,
Tabi, tabi!
move,
Tabi, tabi! Tabi, tabi! You know what guys, nasasabi ko yan pag umiihi ako. So mukhang hindi ko na siya masasabi lang sa pag-ihi kundi sa pagsayaw din. So I'm gonna dance with that.
Oh, ayan ha. Mukhang ready na sila. Kaya 18! Make sure to watch that because our official debut is happening on May 15, 2026!
Okay, May 15. Okay, calendar.
Grabe,
May
sobrang
15.
lapit na yan. Kaya we're all inviting you to Sonara World at Escolta. It's a special space where we can connect and enjoy and share more about our journey. Siyempre, marami kaming hinanda para sa inyo. You know? Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms at
Ang pretty
Sonara,
niya.
at official
Okay.
Sonara.
You know what, napalimutan
Once
ko yung
again, we are Sonara!
Ang cute. Ang cute. Teka lang, I wanna know their names. Nakalimutan ko. Wait. Oh, ito. Hala. Okay. Oh, okay. So yung okay, I think nag-stand out sa akin silang lahat. Oh, OT7. I think Megumi, Eureka. Okay, Eureka. Yeah, Eureka. Parang leader siya yata ng grupo, I guess. Nami and Dominic because of their vocals. Sila ata yung I think Ella. Silang tatlo yung kumanta nung part na parang may nag-harmonization sila. Nag-harmonize sila, yung parang nagsuslow yung kanta. Sila yung kumanta nung part na yon, which is I love that part. Lalo na I think si Dominic nakita kung nag-harmonize siya. And then si Teen and Eureka, yeah. Teen's rap, parang gusto ko yung rap niya. Si Lee naman, magaling siyang sumayaw. At saka sila ni Megumi. Yeah. Oh my God. I don't know. But let's see, because I think this was their first live performance and they really did well. Alam niyo yung parang, sabi nila rookie, parang bago, pero it seems like they've been performing like 5 years ago. Parang ganun na. What more? Parang ang lupit. So let's see, because as what I've said earlier, I am not really a girl group fanny because my heart is always with one group, which is SB19. So I feel like if may marami akong group na i-stand, parang di na makakaya ng utak ko at isip ko. So, I don't wanna be biased because they're under 1Z Entertainment. But with my initial reaction with them, I think parang they deserve the hype. Yeah. Kasi with the song, I like the song. It's big, I don't know, parang the melody, parang nakaka-LSS agad. Alam niyo yung first initial song na pag napakinggan ninyo, parang gusto mo ulit pakinggan ulit. May iba kasi mga kanta na yung initial first listen ninyo, parang okay, parang hindi masyadong gusto mo. Pero pag pakinggan mo, let's just say 10 times more, nagiging okay na or nagiging gusto mo na. Pero ito, first listen to the song, parang I like it again, and parang gusto ko ulit siyang pakinggan because it's something different na parang medyo maangas tapos nag-slow down tapos maangas, slow down tapos yung parang tapos ito pa. I might stand a girl group if maangas. Ito talagang parang gusto ko yung ganon, yung parang makipagpukpukan, parang SB19. Gusto ko yung um, parang malupit, ganon. Kasi, I think, yung girl group na dati, nung bata-bata pa ako, I stand with 21. You know that group, right? So, parang I see the same vibe na parang I'm here to perform, parang ganon. The style, I see na parang magaganda sila. And then, I feel like they've been preparing this journey because look at their shirts or, parang may symbolism na kaagad nung parang feeling ko ibebenta nila to. Magiging merch to. Yung top nila maganda. Parang may Sonara, may tabi, may Skolta. So, from wardrobe alone, parang pinagplanuhan na. I think 1Z did an amazing job. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching.